Being so alive. I. Da, 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 da. Snowy. Snowy. Mantequilla. What are you two doing? That's making me dizzy when I look at the camera when I'm swinging. Swinging. There's my ticky. Snowy. Whoa. Whoa. Oh God, I'm gonna fail. Where is that dog? Snow, you behind the shed? Where is he? I see him. Right there. Snow got out of there. Oh God. I'm going to fall. Right. Oh God. Yep, but the Kia's taking a bleep. Matakia, you pooped over here. Why you? Oh God. Get him, Snowy. No, don't go back in the house. Here. I want to throw my phone in the pool from here, but I know I'm going to miss and I'm probably going to break my phone or it's probably going to get damaged by the pool water. Go, Snowy, go! Actually, let me just stop. Jesus. You know what? Let's go to Snowy. Snowy, 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 Snowy. Ah, you little. Run, Thomas, run. Not inside. Savages. This is like cold versus winter versus summer. This one loves me. Right, Mantequilla? Good. Oh God. Ow. Good boy. Please stop following. Snowy, help. That's good. Snowy. Hey. Ah. Hey. Oh God. I don't want to look at that. That just means it is. You guys want to say goodbye? Huh? Anybody? Okay, bye.